Starting something is easy, but quitting is even easier. And do you know why most of the plan fails? It's not because of any issue in the planning. It's not because of you. It's because of you lack execution vehicle. So in this video, we are going to decode an execution vehicle with six-step model. If you follow this, you can execute anything with ease and with 100% success. So this is Maurya here, an alumnus of BITS Blani, and I am Bangalore with 25 years of professional journey. Now I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children to become super achievers and lead a successful life. So let's dive in. All right. As you can see, the first step is really important. I call it split the mountain into the stones. Because what happened if you want to achieve something great, if you want to execute something great and it's a huge in volume, you may get scared, you may get worried, and you may start doubting on your capability whether you are going to do it or not able to do it. So in order to avoid this, make sure you split your complete goal or complete work into small things with timeline, right? So once you split it, you'll get a confidence that no, with 15 days I want to do this much, next 15 days I want to do this much, next 3 months I want to do this much. You'll get confidence to start the work and also execute the same. So this is very important and key step to split the mountain into the stones. That is splitting your work into the doables, executables part of it, right? Second part is very key. We call it challenges. Make your work as a challenge, because thinking something, planning is easy, but once you start doing it, you will face a lot of challenges, having a lot of roadblocks, a lot of demotivation, distraction, derailment, and a lot of things will come up on the way. In order to win that game, in order to know avoid that, make sure you take up this as a challenge, right? Take up just like 30 days challenge, 20 days challenge, 15 days challenge. So make it into challenge and attach some kind of rewards into a challenge, right? Like if you do this today, you are going to reward yourself by this, maybe whatever you like it. Rewards maybe small things, is priceless, or whatever you like the most. So reward yourself. That is going to give you some kind of motivation and energy to keep on doing, right? And also attach with that challenges we're lacking. What if you don't do it, what you're not going to take it, what you are going to lack, right? So this is second step is about the challenging part. Right, split your work into challenges, right? And third point, begin with end in the mind. This is a very powerful work of Stephen Covey, who is a great person. He said whatever you want to do in life, no, make sure you is before even start, just see what you want to do. So visualize, you visualize how things are going to be when you are going to complete the work, how you are going to look or when you are going to complete the work, right? So begin something, end in the mind, right? Do not just start. And fourth point is really important, is start small. Because what happen when you are starting something, you have a lot of energy, lot of interest, you start something with a lot of joy, and thereafter you get discouraged, you get demotivated because of monotonous, because of discomfort, because of difficulties, right? So in order to avoid that, you start something small, and as you move on, suppose you want to do 10 things per day, start with two things day one. Next day, maybe keep on increasing, gradually keep on increasing, and maybe within a week, reach to the level of what you want to achieve per day, right? That is a key to start small, so that no, you get used to, you could, because everything what you are going to do, what you are planning to do is new, and you need time to adjust to new environment of doing that, right? And next step is called visibility and accountability. This is a key area. I would say note it down, is very important. Because if your work is not visible, if you are not accountable, if you're not something no responsible to answer something, so your work to somebody, then no, most likely you are going to give up, right? And because what I give up because of hurdles, because of failure, because of setbacks, because of discomfort, because of difficulty, because of a lot of life challenges, you will give up, right? So make sure you find one of your good friend whom you trust, and it may be your parents, it may be anybody whom you trust, whom you can share what you want to achieve, what you are going to do, and make him or her accountable. When I say accountable, means no report your accomplishment, report your no daily work, no daily basis, that that you did today, these are challenges you face today, this thing you are going to tomorrow, this is your today's achievement. So make sure report him or her on daily basis, and keep on sharing and discuss with him or her, so that no so that you don't quit. This is a very very important stuff, to have accountability partner and make your work visible in front of her or him, right? So next point is celebration in mind is really important, because what happened, if you are doing something great, if you are doing something big, right, it's going to be tough, it's going to full of challenges. So what happens if you do not know have something celebration in mind, then you'll not have energy to accomplish the same. So make sure no you have some celebration in mind, so that no once you accomplish it, you are going to go for a party, you are going to celebrate, then you get additional energy, you get more energy, more motivation to move on, and no get to the finish line. All right, I hope you could find this video was useful. If you like this, you can subscribe the channel to get more valuable content on career development. And I am really excited to give you a free success mindset e-guide. You can click below link and download the same. And also, I invite you to be part of our VIP Facebook community. We call it Super Achievers Mastermind. So be there with this. I sign off. Thank you so much.